Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix Snapchat error c14a spot code. If you are having this kind of error in Snapchat, then how you can fix that. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your device, which means you have to turn off your device, and after that you have to restart again and you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. And the next trick is, as you have to simply press and hold your Snapchat app. If you are using iOS or iPhone device, then what you have to do, you have to simply go to Snapchat app and you have to simply offload the app. And here, if you are using Android device, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop app, and after that you have to simply clear the cache of your Snapchat app. After doing all the things, what you have to do is you have to simply check whether it is showing. You have to search for Snapchat on the Play Store and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your device and you have to check whether the problem has fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply open a new browser and here you have to simply search for Snapchat down detector, which means you have to check whether it is showing any kind of error on down detector or not, which means if everyone is having this kind of error, then there will be problem in the Snapchat server. So you have to, as you can see, there is an error occurring in the Snapchat. So there is the history, so you have to check you are facing the same problem. If you are facing the same problem, then you have to wait for some time so that Snapchat team can work on that error and solve the problem for you. And you have to wait for the updated version of the Snapchat, because updated version of the Snapchat corrects any kind of bugs or error which is available in the previous version. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.